Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your iPhone model and update iOS so eSIM features work. Once done, make sure you have the Jio eSIM QR or activation code and a reliable Wi-Fi connection for downloading the profile. You should also back up your phone and note any existing carrier profiles so you can restore if needed. Now open Settings and tap Cellular. Choose Add Cellular Plan and prepare to scan the Jio QR when prompted. You scan the Jio QR code in the Add Cellular Plan flow. If scanning fails, tap Enter Details manually and type the SMDP Plus address and activation code Jio provided. Once the profile downloads, label the plan, for example, Jio, then select default lines for voice and mobile data and configure iMessage/FaceTime if prompted. Make sure cellular data is switched on for the Jio line. If activation stalls, wait a few minutes and then restart your iPhone to force network re-reg. You finish by verifying service. Check signal bars and open the My Jio app or look for confirmation SMS to confirm the plan is active. If mobile data doesn't work, toggle airplane mode, confirm APN settings, and make sure the eSIM is set for cellular data in settings. If issues remain, reset network settings as a targeted fix. This wipes Wi-Fi passwords but often resolves provisioning errors. Finally, contact Jio support with your activation code and email so they can complete activation on their end.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.